Day 11 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously I built the shelving unit and installed it, attached the kitchen unit doors and the panels of the sliding door. Today we took a quick trip to B&Q where I got copper pipe and copper brackets to install onto my shelving unit. I then cut wood to size and dyed it to put a window frame on the top cupboard. Adam screwed holes so we could attach it from the back to hide the screws. Adam and I then grip filled our Moroccan style sink bowl into place, and once done we left it to dry, and Adam put the wastewater plumbing system together and boxed in the water containers. Whilst he did this, I cut holes into the bed base to stop moisture building below the mattress. I then opened our brand new small double foam mattress and put it into place. Follow for day 12 where we'll be finishing the last few jobs and we will be shopping for our decor. We are also still waiting for a table leg to be delivered, which we will also need to install.